is me, Netta Monique. You know your girl likes to pop out when the weather breaks. Spring has sprung, and Ywigs reached out asking if I like to try their bulk braiding hair, and of course I said yes. So we're going to talk about this hair. She is fabulous. She is wavy, and she's everything. I used all 3 bundles. Pretty much I have just very little left over. This is all completely human hair. I did not add any synthetic hair to this. My daughter helped me achieve this style. It looks so good. Yes, doesn't it? It's so yummy. I'm feeling myself. So this is how it looks wet. It is a little more full when it is dry, but I love to wear it in the wet state. Look, y'all, she laid my edges, and you know I don't even do all this, but I love the way she laid my edges. I wanted some versatility, and I'm just going to show you some of the styles I wear with this. I got a mirror right here, so I'm going to look as I'm styling too. So of course we can do a little half up, half down action. Yes. This hair is super lightweight, very easy to braid in. The method that we used was the tree braid method. I wanted large parts because you all know that I'm on a forever hair growth journey, a healthy hair journey, and we don't do breakage here. So I wanted to make sure my braids were not too small, they were nice sized. I wanted them big, not only to protect my hair, I wanted a protective style, and I didn't want to take forever to do the install, nor did I want it to take forever when I remove the braids. So anyway, so yeah, we did some box braids, knotless, and as I said, half up, half down is one of the styles I like to rock. And I like mine to lay a little flat on the top. I don't want like I want something like this. I wanted it, you know, just right under here, the perfect length. I did not need it touching my toes or to my tailbone. Like I'm happy with this length. And again, we use all 3 bundles to achieve this style. It looks a lot fuller when it is dry. I like this look. I love the boho mermaid type of style where it's just kind of messy, you know, just natural, where it just looks real effortless and free. That's who we are. So anyway, the next style I'm gonna do, I just want to show you how it looks when you flip it up, do a little flip over. So here's how it looks if we wear it all to one side like this. Yes, so pretty. Like, this is some really good hair, super soft and very minimal shedding, just, you know, just a little bit. But when I brush through it, I'm very extra careful, brushing from the bottom, working my way up. No issue with excessive shedding at all. And let me flip it over to the other side so you can get that vibe. So here we are. You know, she gets brand new when she gets some hair, you know. But my hair is still in a bob, so we achieved this style with my bob cut. And yes, so here we are. She looks good either way, very versatile. And my favorite hairstyle of all, well, let me do the ponytail. Hold on. And then flip her. So we can do her high. We can do her high like that, or we can, I caught some of my edges in there, hang on. Ah! She did it so nice, I'm messing them up. That's a little higher than I like. Hold on, we're gonna fix it. And it's probably the ponytail that I use. Like I normally use like a silk scrunchie, but I guess this will do. It's like I said, it's a little higher. Like you can, this is a high one, but if I wanted to bring it lower, I could, but we're just, you know, we're playing around with it, being free. So yeah, this is what it looks like in a pony. So yeah, super flirty, super cute. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, this is the pony. And my favorite hairstyle of all, if you know me, you know, she loves a messy high bun. So I'm gonna take this and loop her around something like that. Maybe not like that, hold on, let me see. The reason why I didn't want it super long because I just feel like I couldn't handle this too a bit much for me. All right, so we're gonna take one loop and bring her out like this, like that, and then take this, because she kind of like falls. She falls like the way that she wants to go. And then like the loose pieces, I just kind of let them like fly like that. Or just wrap it around. Let's see. Just wrap it around. And just kind of let her do her thing. You know, just leave it. Let me fix my little baby hairs. Oh, my daughter is my hairstylist. She's an aspiring hairstylist, soon to be licensed cosmetologist. So proud, but she did such a wonderful job on my hair. So usually I'll wet it when I want to wear it down, but when I do the bun, it's usually dry. So I think that's why it's kind of funny, a little funny, because it's still a little damp. Towards the end of this video, I will share with you how I care for the hair as far as preparing it for bedtime. This is really high quality hair. Highly, highly, highly recommend. I absolutely love this hair, love the style, and I'm gonna rock it for a while. We'll see how it wears through the next few weeks. I do plan on leaving it in at least 4 weeks. I will certainly be happy to update you on how the hair holds up. And yes, she's a happy girl. Get into this dress. Oh, isn't she cute? Yes, I'm so happy. The hair is hairing. The dress is dressing. She's a happy girl. Can you tell? That is how I style this beautiful human hair from Ywigs. And I hope you enjoyed this video. All the details about the hair that I used and the link to purchase will be in the description box. If you have any additional questions on the hair and how I achieve the look, please leave your comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm so excited to be back. This is such a nice welcome back to my channel. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all are well. See you soon. I don't tie them, I just tuck them, because you don't want anything too tight along your hairline. And this is really, it's a really gentle headband, and the braids are securely in there. Later.